Is your Twitter account suspended and you want to get it back quickly? This video shows you legitimate ways to unsuspend your account without appealing, using simple verification steps and tips that often work for temporary locks. First, you need to log in and follow the instructions. Go to Twitter, and if the Twitter asks you to verify your email, you need to confirm your phone number or complete a CAPTCHA. Do it, and any temporary locks are removed this way. Or you can also check your email. Twitter often sends you instructions and links to unlock your account. You need to just simply follow the instructions carefully and wait out temporary limits. Some locks are temporary. Stop any risk behavior or spamming and wait it out. If your account was hacked, reset your password and remove any suspicious apps. This might restore your access. And please note that you cannot bypass permanent suspensions without an appeal. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.